Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have discussed about the theme, summary, chapter nutshell, everything, character analysis, everything is provided to you, and you people have come to know that what is the philosophy and what is the theme, what is the justification of the title. That is very well explained to you. Today we are going to explain the chapter line to line. The lines which I am showing you, perhaps it is difficult for you to read, so you will be sent one page of this in on your WhatsApp number. Okay, so but try to get it. Once upon a time, okay, this is the story which was said in Sweden, and the writer is also a Swedish writer. Okay, and whatever is written by this writer, all the stories are translated into many languages, and all stories are having universal theme, and I am explaining you line to line. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. The writer is telling to the readers that the story which he is going to explain to the readers, that this has already happened once upon a time, and there was a man. Once upon a time, there was a man, and this man was selling rat traps, and these rat traps were made of wire. He made them himself, and odd moments. Odd moments means difficult moments, complex moments. Why the writer is saying that odd moments? Because he was not having his shop. He was not having his shop, and he has to beg for wire, and sometimes he commit theft for the wire. Okay, so the writer is saying that all these rat traps which were being sold by the man was made in odd moments, complex moments, difficult moments, from the material he got by begging in the stores at the big farms. Okay, and these materials from which he used to make the rat traps, he begged for the materials from the big stores. But even so, the business was not especially profitable, and he used to beg for the wire from the big stores. Okay, but the business which he was doing was not profitable. Okay, even so, okay, he was doing so much, as he was begging, he was committing theft, but the business was not profitable at all. So he had to resort on both begging and thievery to keep body and soul together, to survive, to live in this on this earth. Okay, so he has to depend on two things. Sometimes he has to depend on begging, and sometimes he theft. He committed theft to live, to remain on this earth, to survive. Okay, and body and soul together. Even so, his clothes were in rags. Okay, but his clothes were torn. Okay, and his cheeks were sunken. Means there was crisscross on the cheek. And hunger gleamed in his eyes, and he always looked hungry. He always looked hungry. Means cheeks were sunken. Means there were many wrinkles on the cheeks. Many wrinkles are the crisscross on the cheeks, are the sunken, सिकुड़े हुए in Hindi, सिकुड़े हुए. And he was always looking hungry. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. Okay, and we can never imagine about the sad and monotonous is also sad, monotonous. Okay, monotonous sad life, in Hindi that is called udasinta. Okay, so we can never imagine that what kind of sad life he was leading. Okay, such a vagabond, the man who is without home. Okay, and the rat trap peddler was without home. Okay, and we can never imagine how sad and elegiac life was being led by this homeless wanderer who plods along the road, who walks along the road, okay, and left to his own meditation, and he was always lost in his meditation. He was always lost in his meditation. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought, and when he was lost in his meditation, my dear, I have already told you that whatever the work you are doing, you will think always about that work. So he was lost in the meditation, means he was thinking about his right trap. He was thinking about his right trap. Okay. And one day an idea strike in the mind of this man. Okay. One day an idea strike in the mind of this man, okay, which really seems to him entertaining, and that idea which came in his mind, that the idea which came in his mind, which struck in his mind, that idea was very entertaining idea. He had naturally been thinking of his right traps. Okay, obviously, clearly, he was thinking about his right traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, okay. So all of a sudden, an idea strike in the mind of this man, that whole world which is all around him, the whole world which is all around him, the whole world with its lands and seas, the whole world all around him with its seas, with its lands, with its cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. Okay, okay, whole the world all around him, whole the world all around him, okay, with its land, seas, cities, villages was nothing but a big rat trap. All these things were just like a big rat trap. It had never existed for any purpose than to set baits for the people, and this world is exist for only one purpose. This world is exist for only one purpose, okay, that is to set baits. Baits means one who attract the people, okay, one who attract the people. Baits in Hindi, that is called chara. Okay, this world has only existed for the purpose to set baits for the people. This world is giving, this world is expressing, this world is giving, this world is expressing, this world is only existing for the purpose to set the baits for the people. It offered rich joys, shelter, and food, food and clothing, and this world is offering rich. Rich means money, riches, money, joy, happiness. This world is expressing shelter and food, and this world is expressing food and cloths. Okay, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. Pork means the flesh of pig. Okay, exactly as we use pig flesh, yeah, flesh of the pig and the cheese to attract the rat, and as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, and as we are using cheese, cheese and the flesh of the pig to attract the rat, and when the rat is attracted towards it, it is trapped. Just like that, the riches, joys, shelter, food, clothings, all these things are just like the bait, and when anyone is attracted, when anyone is tempted towards it, okay, when anyone is tempted towards it, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. And when anyone is attracted towards all these baits, okay, he is closed in, he is trapped, and everything finished, okay, everything finished. The world, of course, never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of this, okay, and this world was never kind to him. This world was not merciful to him. This world was not merciful to him, never merciful to him, never merciful to him. So he was getting unwanted joy. He was getting a lot of joy to think ill, to think bad about this world. Why he was thinking bad about the world? Because the world was not kind to him. The world was never kind to him. The world was not merciful to him. The world was never merciful to him. This was the reason that he was having ill thought towards the world, and to think ill thoughts about the world, he was getting joy. He was getting joy. He become cherished. He become happy. It ill of it. In this way, it become a cherished pastime of his. Okay, and in this way, this was a happy pastime. This was a happy pastime for the rat trap peddler. What was the happy pastime? To think ill about the words, to think bad about the words. Okay, this was a happy pastime for the rat trap peddler. Okay, pastime during it becomes during many dreary ploddings. During many dreary ploddings. Okay, ploddings means you can say trudging. Dreary means sad, depressing. Okay, plodding means traveling. During many sad travelings. During many dreary, sad, depressing. During many depressing or sad travelling, to think of people he knew who had been themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. Snare means rat trap. Snare means rat trap. So he became happy to think about those people who were attracted towards the bait and they are trapped. ठीक है ना, they are trapped. Okay, they are trapped dangerously in the rat trap, and of others who were still circling about the bait, and he became happy to think about all those persons who were attracted and they were circling, they were coming very close to the bait. They were coming very close to the bait. One dark evening, as he was walking. One dark evening, when he was walking along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside. One dark evening, when he was walking, he saw a grey cottage, and that grey cottage was built at the roadside or by the roadside, and he knocked at the door to ask shelter for the night, and the rat trap peddler directly came to the cottage, and he knocked at the door and asked for the shelter. He asked for the master that if he would like to give him shelter to pass the night. Okay, the rat trap peddler asked for shelter from the master of the house to pass the night, nor was he refused. And means he was welcomed. He was not refused. He was welcomed. He was not refused. He was instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him. Okay, means to say, before this, wherever he has gone, he was neglected, he was avoided, he was insulted, he has met sour faces. He has met sour faces wherever he had gone. Wherever he had gone, he has met sour faces. But this is the first chance when he was not neglected, he was not insulted, but he was given shelter. Okay. The owner, who was an old man without wife and child. The owner of the house was single person, all alone man. Okay, he was an old man and he was all alone in his house. He was not having wife, he was not having children. Okay, so obviously, my dear, okay, when you are living all alone, so either you will get frustrated or you will have negative thoughts. But the crafter was not having negative thoughts. He was living all alone in his house, but he was not frustrated. He was not having negative thoughts. He was a positive fellow and he was very friendly. This is the reason that he had given shelter to the rat trap peddler in his house. Okay, so was happy to get someone to talk in his loneliness. Okay, and that old man became happy to find out someone to talk about talk about talk about talk about. Okay, let me find the line. To talk about in his loneliness. Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire. Porridge means you can say dalia in Hindi, dalia. Immediately the old man put porridge on the fire and he gave him supper. Supper means the dinner or the meal of the night. Okay, the dinner was given, the supper was given to the guest. Then he carved up such a big slice of from tobacco, took out. Then he took out some slice of tobacco. ठीक है ना? Then he took out some piece of tobacco from a big slice. Okay, tobacco roll. Then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll. Then after he took out some slice of tobacco from his tobacco roll. Okay, tobacco roll, that it was enough both for the stranger pipe and his own, and that which he has carved up, the tobacco which he has took out from the roll of tobacco, it was sufficient for the pipe of the guest and the host. Okay, finally he got out an old pack of cards and played Jollies. Jollies is a game of cards. Finally he took out a pack of cards and both of them started playing the game of cards. Okay, and the name of that game is Jollies, with his guest until bedtime, and till bedtime they were playing till bedtime they were playing. The old man was just as generous with his confidence as with his porridge and tobacco. The old man has shown confidence. The old man has shown generous. The old man has shown confidence in other matters as he has shown confidence in giving him tobacco and porridge. Once again, the old man was just as generous with his confidence, means the old man has shown generosity in his confidence as he has shown generosity in giving him food, means porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity his host had been crafter at Ramsjo ironwork. Okay, the old man informed to the rat trap peddler that when he was young he was very prosperous and he used to work at Ramsjo iron work. Okay, and he was a crafter there. Okay, and had worked on the land, and he was working at Ramsjo iron works. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, but now he has become old, there is no power left in his body. Okay, and he was unable to do day labor. This is the reason he is not working in Ramsjo iron work at this time. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, now the old man was unable to do day work. It was his cow which supported him. Okay, and he told to the guest that he is having a cow. He has kept a cow and that cow is supporting him. Yes, that is a bossy. That cow is just like a boss, one who pay you, one who give you work. Okay, one who is the cause of your survival. So the cow is just like the boss. Okay, and that is extraordinary. That cow is extraordinary because the cow is the cause of food for him. She could give milk for the creamery. Okay, and the cow gives milk, and from that milk he makes the cream, and every day he made the cream, he gets the milk from the cow, and last month he has received all of 30 kroner in payment, and last month he was paid 30 kroner, he was paid 30 kroner rupees, and he informed that in last month he was paid 30 kroner. Okay guys, I think it is sufficient for today. We will go through line wise next lines. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.